Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create a directional blur effect using lensstudio. So let's start it. So at first, go to left hand side on the resource panel and click on plus sign to import the file, or can you simply drag and drop it. So after importing the directional blur patch, just go to the object panel and click on plus sign and choose the screen image. After then change the stretch mode to fill, and then you can drag drop the patch into material or simply click on the material and choose the patch. So as you can see there is no blur. So to bring the blur, simply go to screen image and you can rename the screen image if you want it. For now I am changing into scene 1. After then just duplicate the screen image as you wish until you are satisfied of your blur effect. Now you can see the preview, the blur effect. The more you duplicate, the more it will be blurred. See the preview. So if you want to add the LUT, you can just import your LUTs as I imported. After then go to object panel and then go to color correction and choose empty and then add your LUT in the texture to see the effect. So now you can see the blur effect with LUT. So once again I am saying the more you duplicate the screen image, the more blur it will be. So you can adjust the blur effect as your own choice. Hope you like the video, and yes, if you want this directional blur patch, read the description carefully, and if you want to save time, you can buy this patch. Email me for further information. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming tutorial. Till then stay tuned and take care. Bye.